it's Viva Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are watching my channel for the first time, hey guys! So guys, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification button and become a part of the notification gang. You will never miss one of my videos, and it's absolutely free and it supports me, guys. So yeah, let's just hop right into this video, guys. So guys, as you can see by the title of this video, and probably the reason why you clicked on this video for this gorgeous unit, I'm going to be giving you guys details, reviewing, and installing this bomb purple human hair lace front wig. So this wig is from JE LUXE hair collection. And this is a hair company based online. They do have an Instagram, they have a Facebook. Of course, all of the information is going to be down below in the description. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this beautiful unit, you guys can go ahead and click in the description and get you one. So this wig is from their new color collection, and the name of this wig is Purple Pop, and she definitely pops. Guys, I absolutely love this hair. I have a lot of wigs, human hair, synthetic. This wig, I have to say, is my new favorite. Like, I glued it on my head for you guys today, and I do not want to take it off. So this is a relatively new and a relatively small hair brand, but you guys know I am all for supporting new hair brands. I'm all for supporting small businesses, and I know you guys love wigs, so I just had to review this wig for you guys. I feel like you guys really look up to me when it comes to like purchasing wigs or whatever, because my wig videos are the most viewed videos on my channels. So I just want to give you guys more of that, basically more hair reviews, and this wig was freaking perfect. It is a lace front wig. As you guys are gonna see, it does come, like, the lace does still come attached to it. It comes in this natural wavy pattern, and you do have some lace trim on the back, like the nape of the area. This wig does have 4 combs, which I'm also going to be showing you guys in this video. I have not heat tested it yet. I have not washed it yet. This is the wig how you would get it straight out of the box when you receive it. So what you're seeing here is basically what you get. I was going to tweeze the wig, but I did not want to. I just wanted to basically show you guys how it look once you buy it and you get it. So if I customize it like too much and make it look super bomb and then you guys get the wig, you might be like, well, that's not the same wig. So I just left the wig as is. It does come with baby hair, and that's one of the other things that I love about this hair. It does come with baby hair. And as you guys can see, it's not like a shiny human hair wig. A lot of the human hair wigs that I've received recently, they are very shiny and it looks like synthetic-ish. But this hair, it does not look that way. Like, I really love this hair, guys. Okay guys, so before I get into installing the wig on my head, I just want to basically show you guys the inside and the construction of this wig, so you know exactly what you're getting when you do purchase this unit. So this is how the inside of the wig is constructed. As you guys can see, it does have 4 combs. 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and it also has the adjustable straps, and this is basically how much lace you are going to get, which is a lot of lace. Like, your basic lace front wig does not come with this much lace here. It has so much parting space. If you do want to put a part in this unit, or if you just want to leave it like that, it has so much space. You have a lot of versatility with this unit. So yeah, that's how the inside is constructed. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is head to my bathroom, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I basically install this unit on my head. And for that part of the video, it's going to be a voiceover, probably playing some music, and you guys can just watch how I slay this unit as I would if I was like basically going out and like all out for this unit. So guys, just stay tuned for that.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? ever make it on my own? Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go of the days I wish we had? Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head, wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing I wish I will end up together, you, oh you, I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 Dinners and rings and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, oh, oh,
So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.